As you are probably aware, the state of Texas is unique in the fact that contractors aren't required to have any kind of license. None at all. This means they need no knowledge of construction practices, techniques or even construction codes. What it really means is that if you have a hammer and a nail, you too can be a general contractor in Texas. They have no required training on financial management or even the basics of what trades on a job are required to have licenses. At Energy Saving Products we are different. Our management has worked across the country as consultants and trainers in the replacement window industry since 1977. We have gone through the entire licensing process required in other states, and we are fully prepared to ensure a quality project on time and on budget. We know construction, and in particular we know replacement windows. Starting with storm window manufacturing in 1977, before there was a replacement window industry. We participated in the growth and successes of the industry. In 1993 we even designed and developed the AccuWeld AE3 insulated replacement window. This window became a preferred product for contractors who needed a window capable of withstanding the harsh winters of the Northeast and the hurricane-force winds of the Mid-Atlantic. Today we have designed a window specific to the needs of Central Texas. Here in Texas we have unique demands of a heat and sun which not only make our homes uncomfortable and increase our energy bills, but can also bake other window products, forcing the paint to peel, color to fade and the material to dry, crack and deteriorate. Unlike many of our competitors, we don't believe in the outdated, high-pressure sales tactics of the 70s and 80s to force an overpriced, underperforming product on our customers. At Energy Saving Products, we provide the opportunity to learn about our products and price them yourself, right here on our site. Just choose the painless online replacement window quote tab above and see how easy it is to learn about our windows, which carry a lifetime warranty on every part, including the insulating seals between the glass. In addition, you can create a quote for your windows completely online, with no salesman ever coming to your door. Take a look and you will see why our customers say. At ESP we have the cure for all your window pains.